Had the dual bin grabber style lifter that had their proprietary 4-nozzle stainless steel cleaning heads on there. 15-stage wastewater recovery and filtration system. Custom paint, we actually use an industrial coating, not just a paint on this. This is actually a PPG industrial coating when it comes to the paint job on there. Galvanized rims, aluminum rims are available. We have stainless steel high pressure rail on the back here. High pressure hose, that's to clean the trash bins, dumpsters, and like strip center, sidewalks, whatever you want to have. On the side of the trailer, we actually have another set of hose reels. This is kind of like for the accessories pretty much. So here we have 200 foot of high pressure hose on the top, handy hose reel with hose reel guides. These are top of line hose reels. Pretty much some of the best in the industry has to offer. We have 100 foot of inlet hose. We run a 300 PSI, 3/4 inch inlet hose, 1 inch hose reel for free flow going into the tank, so we get a rapid fill on that. Extremely super heavy duty trailer. We run a 2-inch by 6-inch box tubing frame, triple cross member on the tongue, using the same 2 by 6-inch box tubing frame. What's critical about our systems also, we do not use the trash bin hopper as a wastewater holding and transport tank. There's rules and regulations in place, plus there's also cargo weight issues that make it absolutely ridiculous for anybody in the industry to build them with this as a holding tank. What we do instead, we have a 270 gallon supply tank, 270 gallon recovery tank. We are continually removing the wastewater from the trash bin hopper. No, it is not gray water, so don't be fooled by conmen out there. Typically that wastewater is being transferred from the hopper through our 15-stage filtration system, through the power washer and back. So basically we could recycle the wastewater, or you could choose not to. Basically our tanks are large enough where you can do enough carts throughout the day in order where you don't ever have to recycle the wastewater, but when you want to get that extra 50 or 75 more carts in or more, at the end of the day, you can feel free to recycle the wastewater one time through the filtration system, getting down to 5 micron. That's almost blood cells, like near microscopic. On the wastewater, we have oil, water, and phosphate filters. Some people think that a yard waste bin is a real green bin. Not really, other than the grass that might be in it. Typically there is high phosphates and fertilizers and pesticides in there, so it actually becomes a real issue. Probably one of the worst issues is the yard waste bin. So typically don't be fooled by thinking that they're going to classify that somewhere as gray water when it comes to that kind of household chemicals. Detergents, hydrocarbons, which are your oils, even in deep fryer grease, chicken grease, oils, automotive oils from oil changes on small engines or vehicles. There's a lot to deal with, so don't just assume you're going to dump that hopper out at some poor RV dump site, or car wash. I mean, that's really could end up being illegal dumping if you're not actually filtering or taking care of that wastewater prior to that. So, warning to the industry right now that guys are running around with Mickey Mouse systems that are trying to get away with doing that. The other ones that are doing it right are going to come after you for that. So they're going to notify the local and regional environmental people, municipalities, waste companies. We're trying to keep this green. We want this industry to thrive and grow. We don't want a big stain on there by some contractors out there doing the wrong thing by polluting waterways and different waste water streams by that. So be cautious, do your homework. Feel free to give us a call here at Hydrochem Systems. We can give you more detail and information. Other people have never been able to come close to what we've been able to produce for filtered wastewater, and to be able to recycle it. And you know, we have a carbon block filter that's almost 94 million square foot of surface area alone, that helps to reduce odors and takes care of chlorides and other waste in the waste stream. We also have a built-on winterizing tank. Even in Texas, we've had people call me during last Christmas, kind of right before Christmas, trying to figure out how to winterize their trailer and get it all done. I mean, typically it only takes about a minute or a minute and a half to do it, but nice to have everything already pre-built and assembled on the trailer so you're ready to go with that. We also have a master kill switch, so basically with this key removed, nothing's going to work. The hydraulic arms aren't going to be able to be dropped down onto vehicles in parking lots or anything else, so typically you got a total shutdown system. We, you know, all stainless steel frame, 3,500 9-gallon power washer. This you're able to really do commercial pressure cleaning, dumpsters, compactor areas. Work for retailers like Walmart that demand wastewater recovery and hot water and chemical-free cleaning. This is a perfect machine for you. You can actually have 2 guys operating cleaning chewing gum off of this trailer. You can vacuum recover with our 30-inch vacuum recovery surface cleaner attachment. It can filter the wastewater, reuse the water, so it keeps you out there cleaning the retailers, locations, and not just having the fastest cleaning speed in the industry when it comes to trash bins. Our average client on maintenance cans, leave them up over the cleaning head maybe 7 or 10 seconds. When it comes to really filthy cans, the average cleaning time is only 30 seconds. Other systems can take up to half hour just to clean 2 residential wheelie bin carts or trash bin carts. Ridiculous. Know what you're buying. I mean, there's a big difference. It's worth the investment. It's worth the time to actually research and contact us. We'll be happy to give you all the detailed information, be able to provide you a sound advice for your purchase. I mean, this is a new industry, new business. Didn't think I'd be that involved from the beginning with a new service industry that is being introduced into the United States. There's room for a couple thousand more of these trailers out there. So basically it's a great time to start. It's a great way to expand other businesses like pressure cleaning businesses, window cleaning, pesticide, carpet cleaning, industry that are saturated with other contractors. You could be the only guy in the entire city, state, or county, you know, with one of these systems. So you really have an opportunity to pioneer this into your area. We have clients with over 1,000 customers that subscribe to them. So basically it's whatever you can make of it. We can assist you with a marketing and contractor training manual. We do hands-on training. We're available 7 days a week to assist you for anything additional. Right now we have a bunch of stock trailers. We got caught off guard last year where we were building as fast as we could and couldn't keep up with the orders, so we fell behind a little bit. Now, you know, you want to set up, pick up 3 or 4 systems tomorrow coming up. We'll take care of you. We've got them here. All right, Dan Swede, Hydrochem Systems. I'll do one more quick little view of our filtration system. Give you a little sneak peek there. There we go. And that's just part of it right there. Real keys to being able to be successful, thrive. And everybody wants a green contract cleaner nowadays. The waste companies are almost already zero waste. Do you think they're going to just sit back and allow you to clean their carts and pollute the wastewater or other areas without being taken care of it?